erupt. Whoa, that's amazing!
Karibu! Welcome to a world where we explore everything science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. If you're watching this, you're an official member of our Technovates Club of cool STEAM kids. You're watching Sema's Lab! Today, check out how to do this!
Oh, I think it's about to explode! Volcanoes are actually pretty cool. They are mountains with openings at the top and sometimes erupt a hot liquid known as lava. Do you remember that episode of Super Sema when Tobor was trying to destroy Dunia's books in a volcano? But Super Sema came in and saved the day. Check this out.
One and destroy!
Go! Woohoo!
I'll beat to Sema!
Super Sema wins the day!
Today, find out how to make your very own volcano and how to make it erupt. For this experiment, you'll need a paintbrush, a funnel, rolled up newspaper, a plastic bottle, a pair of scissors, a cardboard, paint, baking soda, and vinegar. Let's technovate! First, we're going to take our bottle and place it in the center. Then, using our rolled up paper, we're going to make a boundary around the bottle, like this. Then, using our tape, we're going to tape from the bottle all the way going down. Now I'm going to take my newspaper and cut it into half. There we go. Then using glue, I'm going to stick it onto our volcano. I'm back with my volcano form. I let it sit for a few hours to dry. And now let's paint it. And there we go, we are done painting our volcano. Now it's time for the fun part, to make our volcano erupt. Put it there and then pour a little bit of baking soda. Now for the best bit, quickly pour the vinegar into the volcano crater and step back and watch it erupt. Whoa, that's amazing! Let's talk about the science behind this. When baking soda is mixed with vinegar, something new is formed. The mixture quickly forms up with carbon dioxide gas, which is evident because of the presence of bubbles. Did you know lava from a volcano can get up to 1,250 degrees Celsius hot? That's right, lava from a volcano can get really hot. Try it out yourself and see how explosive it is. See you next time. Bye!
Super Sema! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
She's a maker, creator, a super technovator. Who is this girl who's gonna change the world? It's Super Sema, Super Sema. It's time to show the world what every kid can do. Cause you can change the world, yeah, you are super too. Like Super Sema, you're Super Sema, Super Sema.
One little tiny drop should do it. Careful, careful, and here we go. That's it. Come on. also didn't expect that. And it definitely shouldn't be doing that.
Sema, are you okay?
I don't know what happened. The chemistry reactions were magical, MB. You should have seen them. But then, look.
According to my calculations, your experiment could not have created a seismic wave of such magnitude.
Translation, please.
This wasn't Sema's fault.
Let's see what's really going on.
This is Diana Glorious reporting live from Kavu Desert. A big earthquake just rocked Dunia, and this location here appears to be its epicenter.
Let's take a closer look.
What is that?
It's a bong of lava. There are loads of them.
The boar! What's he up to this time?
Whatever it is, it won't be good. We need to investigate. Ref, stay here and be our eyes on Dunia.
Stay safe.
We will, Ref.
This way.
No brakes!
What's the boar up to? They're making something.
Yes! That's it! Titanium for my new indestructible T-suit! Now I will be indestructible! Get back to work!
MB, this is a mining site. He's mining titanium and making armor out of it.
Titanium, but that's super heat resistant, super light, and super strong.
We've got to stop him.
No brakes, bongalalas! More titanium!
The mining must be causing the earthquakes.
What are you doing, Sema?
Tabor, you must stop before the earthquakes destroy the whole of Dunia.
But that's my plan, Super Sema. Hardware. Now who's the super one, Sema?
You'll never be Super Tabor.
Oh, but I already am! And now AI shall finally triumph forever! Huh? Oh.
The mining is causing the earthquake, and the earthquake is causing the volcano to erupt.
It's a chain reaction.
Just like my chemistry experiment. But this is super dangerous.
We need to get out of here, fast.
MB, can you punch in Ref?
You got it.
Hello! Everything okay?
No, it's not. Mount Mbali Sana is erupting.
Oh my goodness!
Ref, is it possible to stop a
Oh
volcano
dear, oh
erupting?
dear, oh dear!
No. But it is possible to stop lava. Sometimes.
Well, this is the time. What do we need?
Lots and lots of highly charged explosives.
That seems really dangerous.
Or you could build a barricade.
We don't have the time.
There must be another way.
Well, you could use extremely cold water to cool the extremely hot lava and turn it into rock, making your own rock barrier.
That's it.
But Sema, we're in the desert. There isn't any water for miles.
Then we'll have to make the water.
You can do that.
Yes, it's just chemistry. Breaking up the molecules of the desert air around us and recombining it to make water. But we need huge amounts of energy.
Oh, oh, oh! Ah! Hey, I'm going to fly forever! Hey, I'm going to fly forever!
The boar!
Nia! Sema, it's too late! To the Matatu. Maybe there's still something we can do. MB, can you steady us over the mining site? Copy that. Hang on, Bongolalas. Hurry, take my hand. Don't worry, I've got you. Tabor, we need your super suit to power our water generator and save Dunia.
But I want to destroy Dunia.
Really? With no Dunia, who will you rule? And look, your Bongolalas, they're in danger too. Save them.
Tell me what to do.
Fly down to our water generator. We'll follow. We need your suit to power the water generator. Connect it there, Tabor.
Goodbye, super strength. Goodbye, super flight. Goodbye, super suit.
Tabor, quick, grab hold.
Huh.